Welcome to the channel. We're going to make a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie today. Let's get started. I'm starting with my Skippy peanut butter.
Okay, it's 1 cup of peanut butter.
I'm going to take 1 egg. Some brown sugar. The recipe calls for 1/2 cup. I'm going to use a little more. Together, egg and brown sugar. Okay, then incorporate our peanut butter. Add that into the mixture. About that much. Give it a good mix. Peanut butter. Adding my crushed peanuts. This was not part of the recipe, but this is what I want to do. Got some chocolate chips. I can drop those in too. That's what it's looking like. Put them on our cookie sheet. Cookie sheet here. Oven is preheated at 350 degrees. I'm just going to put a little flour on my hand. Little flour on my hand. And that's just so that when I take the peanut butter, put some these into a ball. Flour helps it from sticking to your hands. then you just want to kind of smash the cookies and the tea. I've seen how the peanut butter cookies have that little, I'll show you all in just a minute. Last little thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of brown sugar on top. Just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put them into an oven at 350 degrees. Peanut butter cookies. This is the end result. See those peanuts popping out. Look at that. And this is what my cookie looks like right now. This is what the back is looking like. Oops. There it goes. Let's see if ooh, that's the inside. See those peanuts that I added? Let's give it a try, shall we? Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. That's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you make the cookie, come back and drop it in the comments and let me know what you thought. Thanks again. Y'all be blessed.